A Mesa elementary school is bringing pediatric medical care to underprivileged students. Cronkite News health reporter Kamilah Williams explains how it all got started with one mother who wanted to honor her daughter and her legacy as a teacher.
When you walk into this elementary school, you go out the door, make a left, and straight down the breezeway to door 36. Behind that door, you'll find physician assistants treating the next possible doctor, truck driver, or teacher.
We'll do a bend.
This is Simon's clinic. It was started with the help of Dr. Harvey Simon to help underserved kids get the medical screenings they need without ever having to leave school.
And I believe very strongly that coming to the schools and coming to where the children are is the best way of reaching them.
The majority of students at Emerson Elementary are economically disadvantaged and students of color. Many don't have access to health care, so coming to Simon's clinic is a blessing. While the clinic is in Dr. Simon's name, it wouldn't have been possible without Joan Leafman. Leafman is the mother of Corbin Leafman and founder of Corbin's Legacy. Her daughter was a teacher who worked with underserved kids. She was diagnosed with breast cancer at 26 and passed away 4 years later.
She very specifically asked to be remembered by how she lived and not why she died.
Leafman decided to honor her daughter by working to reduce food insecurity and medical inequity among school children.
In Maricopa County, 1 in 4 children go to bed hungry every single night. The same is true with medical assistance. 1 in 6 children don't get the medical care that they need every day.
In addition to the clinic, each week volunteers fill backpacks with meals for children to take home. When COVID hit, the team was trained to administer vaccinations. Their volunteers immunized 4,500 people. At Simon's clinic, children are screened for vision, dental, and other health problems. If a follow-up is required, parents can get help at Adelante Healthcare free of charge.
Making the parents feel like they have a medical home has done wonders for academic achievement, lack of absenteeism, and better behavior in the classrooms.
Emerson principal Crystal Arbogast dreamed of housing a clinic at her school, but she worried about pushback.
I really thought that because it had never been done before, that along the way that somebody was going to stop me, that somebody was going to say, oh, let's step back, we're going to have doctors come in and screen students on campus. And nobody stopped us. Everybody thought this was a great idea. Everybody supported it. It seemed like an idea that was long overdue.
And an idea long overdue has gone a long way towards helping those most in need. In Mesa, Kamilah Williams, Cronkite News.
Now that young children can be vaccinated for COVID-19, Leafman and Dr. Simon hope to open a vaccination pod for kids early next year. You can learn more about Corbin's Legacy on its website, corbinslegacy.org.